Hey everyone, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add text on Capcut. Now, first thing you need to do is click on a video you want to edit. And once you're there, go to the bar below and click on text. And once you're there, you can click on add text and type in the word you want to add. And you can also select different kinds of fonts for your text. Click on style and you can select if you have borders for your text in different colors. And for the effects, we also have that. You click on bubble. And for the animation, this has the in and out appearance of your text. You also have stickers. And for auto captions, if you have a video that you want to put a caption on, this also has a text template wherein you can just put it directly on your video. And also auto lyrics if you have a song that you wish to put on your video. You can also draw a text. And that's it. That's how easy to add text for your videos on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.